Baseus has released a new 30W, 20,000 mAh power bank in China, and its main selling point is straightforward. You don't have to remember to pack your charging cables. It is priced at 99 yuan, $14, and is now listed on JD.com. The power bank is built around a 2C plus 1A plus 1 Lightning configuration. Tucked neatly into the side of the chassis are two built-in cables. The USB-C cable handles up to 30W bidirectional fast charging, meaning you can use it to charge your phone or plug it into a wall adapter to recharge the power bank itself. The second built-in cable is a Lightning connector that outputs up to 20W, which is a useful inclusion for anyone still using older Apple hardware. If you need to plug in additional devices, the top edge of the power bank houses two standard ports, a 30W USB-C port and a 22.5W USB-A port. When fully utilized, the device can charge up to 4 gadgets simultaneously, though charging speeds will naturally split across the active ports. From a design perspective, the power bank measures 152.2 by 69.6 by 30.7 millimeters and weighs 435 grams. It is a dense piece of hardware, but Baseus gave it rounded edges to make it easier to grip with one hand. The exterior has a textured finish to resist fingerprints and surface wear, and the front panel features a large, easy-to-read LED display that shows the exact battery percentage remaining. It is currently available in light brown and light blue. Inside, the device packs a 20,000 mAh lithium-ion battery with a rated energy of 74 Wh, keeping it safely under the standard airline carry-on limit. Baseus estimates this capacity is enough to charge an iPhone 17 about 3.8 times, a Huawei Mate 80 around 2.5 times, and a Xiaomi 17 Pro twice. Device compatibility covers the standard bases, with support for fast charging protocols like PD 3.0, PPS, and QC 3.0. It also carries China's 3C certification and includes an internal smart chip to manage standard safety protections against overcharging, short circuits, and temperature spikes.